Hi everyone, this is Joan from Jackson Camera Club with a quick overview of gradients. First of all, if you want to play with gradients, go to your window and check off gradients. Here they are. And then you can see where you have gradients, and if you uncheck this you can make one list. Now if you have gradients, I'm going to move this out of the way a second. If you have gradients that aren't installed, this is not installed, I can just click it a couple times and it will automatically install into my Photoshop here. Here it is. And you can see what I just installed, these gradients. Okay, now I can use this. I just click a gradient I want to use. Oh, look what it did. My goodness, I lost a picture. Well, that's an easy fix. You can do a couple things. You can go down to your opacity, and you can see what it does, or you can leave your opacity up there and go here where it says normal and pick a different mode. Normal, dissolve, darken, and so forth down the line till you can see what you want in case it has anything you want to do. Let's see, let's just go down the old line here. Those aren't going to be so good. So let's say I chose overlay, and you can just leave it at that, or you can go to your opacity and then bring it down just a little bit. So you got rid of that. With the background you may not like the color. It's actually a cement floor, and you want it a little greener because you wanted your picture to be mostly green. And there you have it. A quick overview of gradients. Thank you for watching us today on Jackson Camera Club.